Have you ever looked up at the sky and asked how? The U.S. military responsibility is to provide the answer. There's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes and on the flight line before the U.S. military fighter jets take off. Their mission is to ensure safe and reliable aircraft maintenance and support for the wings like the F-35 flying operations.
Here, you're focused on a mission. We got one mission to do, is train pilots. And so I think that's the biggest thing that they take away is the way we work as one cohesive unit.
The U.S. military efforts are crucial in training and developing the world's best F-35 pilots and maintainers. Their ability to perform world-class maintenance is driven by their commitment to every process, wire, and detail. They understand that in modern warfare, their dedication to the mission is vital, and so they strive to identify every faulty part and defect, ensuring their pilots feel confident every time they take flight. They acknowledge that their responsibility lies in their strength and ability to execute, and they take all necessary measures to ensure success.
So as soon as they're up, they come down, we're downloading, it's ready for next goes, and got to be there on time. It's just really fast-paced and gets us in that mindset of being ready to go 24/7.
They believe that there's only one right way to approach aircraft maintenance, and that's with meticulous inspections, monitoring, troubleshooting, and munition loading.
Within 12 hours of showing up here to this undisclosed location, our maintenance team and our Lockheed Martin contractors were able to turn our aircraft and provide combat capability within 12 hours.
They also maintain electronic systems, execute programs, and offer exceptional administrative support to keep them battle-ready. They pride themselves on being a standard of excellence, always prepared to tackle any obstacle through teamwork, accountability, adaptability, and accuracy. They are always ready to support, answering the call day or night, anytime and anywhere, when no one else will.
Walking in, seeing maintainers, seeing the hydraulic fluid on their hands, and the oil and the grease stains, and remembering what that used to feel like.
From the back shops to the fly line, every tool, vehicle, and munition is critical to their success. They recognize that the future of the world's most exceptional air power depends on the actions of their airmen.
So now we know what jets we're flying today and what lines they're going to be in. So the next part of the process is actually go generate some air power and go out the flight line.
Today, they are more than just a squadron or a team. They are the makers and doers who help put their nation's combat air forces in the sky. They are composed of crew chiefs, avionics, weapons, independent engine management, production support, programs, command, and support staff. The 33rd Aircraft Maintenance Squadron represents the pinnacle of aircraft maintenance and support, dedicated to ensuring the safety and readiness of the world's most advanced combat aircraft.
My team show up, the pilots, the maintainers, the contractors, and truly integrating, being alongside each other day to day and at night because we're sharing tents. So it is truly one team, one fight, and we are getting the mission done. We've been here for a few weeks now, and we have not lost a single combat line for maintenance or logistics yet. So it's been a huge success so far.
They never surrender and never give up. God bless America.